Imagine this. You are on a website and the colors just pop. They draw you in, guide your eyes, and evoke feelings you didn't even know you had. That's the power of color theory. Stick with me until the end of this video for a special tip that can elevate your designs even further. I'm Sumit Nautiyal and today we are diving into the fundamentals of color theory in UX design. Let's start with why color theory is so crucial in UX design. Color isn't just about making things look pretty, it's about creating an emotional connection, guiding user behavior, and ultimately driving conversions. In fact, the right color palette can make or break the user experience. The color wheel is a circular diagram of colors that shows the relationships between primary, secondary, and tertiary colors. Isaac Newton first introduced this concept in 1704. Understanding the color wheel is like having a map to navigate the world of colors. It helps you create harmonious, balanced color schemes. There are two main types of color wheels, subtractive and additive. Additive. The subtractive color wheel based on cyan, magenta, and yellow is typically used by artists. The additive color wheel based on red, green, and blue (RGB) is what we use in digital design. Warm colors. Warm colors are like reds, oranges, and yellows that evoke feelings of energy, passion, and warmth. Think of a blazing sunset or a cozy fire. Introduced by Irish poet Oliver Goldsmith in the 18th century, warm colors can add life to your design. But beware, too much can be overwhelming. Use them as accent colors to bring vibrancy without overpowering your design. Now, cool colors. Cool colors such as blues, greens, and purples evoke calmness, trust, and professionalism. They are widely used in branding because they convey reliability and tranquility. French art historian Roger de Piles introduced the concept of cool colors in 1708. These hues are commonly found in nature, in the sky, water, and plants, which makes them naturally soothing and trustworthy. Natural colors. Natural colors like black, white, and grey, and shades of brown are the unsung heroes of design. They provide the perfect backdrop, allowing other colors to shine. They are essential for typography, backgrounds, and wireframing. A well-balanced use of neutral colors can make your design look sophisticated and elegant. So here's a tip: use neutral colors to make your accent colors stand out and give your design a polished look. Color palette. A color palette is a carefully curated set of colors that evokes specific moods and feelings. Using a consistent color palette not only adds cohesion to your design but also infuses your product with a distinct personality. If you're working with an established brand, there's likely a brand book to guide you. If not, creating a new palette can be an exciting part of the design process. Additive and subtractive color models. The additive color model is used in digital displays and involves combining red, green, and blue RGB lights. As you add colors, the result gets lighter, culminating in white. This model was pioneered by James Clerk Maxwell in the 19th century. The subtractive color model is used in printing and involves combining cyan, magenta, and yellow (CMY) pigments. As you add colors, the results get darker, moving towards black. Primary, secondary, and tertiary colors. So primary colors are the root of all other colors. In the subtractive model, they are cyan, magenta, and yellow. In the additive model, they are red, green, and blue. Secondary colors are created by mixing two primary colors, and tertiary colors result from mixing primary and secondary colors. Hex triplets are used to represent RGB colors in CSS, cascading style sheet. Each hex code is prefixed with a hash or hashtag and consists of 6 hexadecimal digits. For example, hash FF0000 represents red, hash 00FF00 represents green, and hash 0000FF represents blue. The RGB color model combines red, green, and blue lights to create a wide spectrum of colors. Each color values ranges from 0 to 255, allowing for over 16 million possible colors. So here's a surprise tip for you guys. Did you know that different devices display RGB values differently? So always test your colors on multiple devices to ensure consistency. So here's the final thought, guys. Color theory in UX design is both an art and a science. It requires a balance of knowledge and intuition, and a lot of practice. By understanding and applying these principles, you can create designs that are not only visually appealing but also emotionally engaging. So that's it for today, guys. If you found this video helpful, make sure to check out the other videos in this series for more UX design insights, and don't forget to subscribe, like and share this video. Leave a comment to join our community and participate in discussions. Remember, good design is obvious, great design is transparent. Joe Soprano. So keep learning, stay curious, and let's design a better world together. See you in the next video.